yung kabot rin?
Oo, sinabi sa iyo yung.
Wala yun sa akin.
Oo, wala pa. Ito na. Kanina ko pa nakikita yung kabot trail eh.
Hello guys, welcome to Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. Okay, we have ano na tayo? More than 2 hours ng drive from Biggie Lighthouse. So,
mapasok na ako.
yun. Kamali din to. Ano yan? Yan yung nagkamali din yung white car.
Napasundo ko sa trailer kasi.
Ano yan? Yan yung may tirahan sa loob yun.
Wala yan.
Wala ba?
Turn left on Old Victoria Road. Then turn right on Highway 105.
Malay mo, yan yung nagpaano siya. Ay ba? Yun talagang ruta niya guys.
Napasundo ko sa
Turn
trailer.
right on Highway 105.
Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ko
Then use
kausapin
the
eh.
left lane to stay to the left to exit
Province na
1.
province talaga, no?
Highway 104. Highway 105 toward Port Hawkesbury, Sydney.
Yan.
Yan ang kita mo yan.
Kaya nga.
Use the left lane to stay to the left. Then stay to the left to exit 1 to Highway 4, Highway 104, Highway 105 toward Port Hawkesbury, Sydney.
So we're going to
Stay the
Sydney,
left to
Nova
exit 1
Scotia.
to Highway 4,
Visitor.
Highway 104, Highway 105 toward Port Hawkesbury, Sydney. Then use the right lane to stay to the right to Highway 4, Highway 104 toward Port Hawkesbury, St. Peters, Sydney. Use the right lane to stay to the right to Highway 4, Highway 104 toward Port Hawkesbury, St. Peters, Sydney.
You know, pwede na mag-stay dito.
In 6 kilometers, turn left on Highway 4 east to Highway 104 toward St. Peters, Sydney.
St. Peter City.
Sama mo naman tayo dyan.
Guys, driver, piloto,
Piloto!
saka pasahero.
Give you my
Province sa probinsya, no?
Yeah.
Gasolina ka? Gasolina daw siya guys. 141.6 ang gasolina. Ano si Lola nagpapagasolina oh. Oh. Grabe nag-ano pa si Lola oh. Diba? Pagasolina natin si Lola.
Okay.